Now that I've warned you of the dangers of the template manager, let's take a look at some of the template files and options that we can change on a template level. We now know how to change the site's template as a whole. In this video, we'll take a look at how to tweak our template to our liking. This will change your site's layout drastically. So again, this area is for experienced users with a certain task in mind. If you haven't yet watched the video on how to take an Akiba backup of your site, do that now and back your site up. Assuming you've backed your site up, we'll continue into the theme by clicking on the selected blue theme name under the Style heading. You can tell which front-end theme your site is using by checking the column with the stars in it. The highlighted one is the theme being used. Under the Options tab, we see 5 areas of the template that we can edit. As a word of caution, I'd suggest against altering any of the options in the Settings area. These options are mostly for designating which programming languages the site is allowed to run, and the options that OpenArch sets for you are for optimal functionality and security for your site specifically. Select Layouts from the left menu and scroll down the page to the Sidebar section. If your site uses the Sidebar A or Sidebar B position, you can set the amount of screen width it takes up and which side of the screen the sidebar will appear on. The left menu we created in another video uses the sidebar position. Feel free to pause this video and experiment with that to see the effects of this section. Just a bit further down the page is the Grid section. You can see there are many options for how your modules will display. Parallel, Stacked, and First Doubled are set currently for positions top B, top C, and top D. If you remember from the modules video, I showed how modules in these different positions would be displayed on your site's front end. As we can see on the front end layouts page, our top B position makes columns out of multiple modules. Top C will stack them one on top of another, and top D doubles the width of the first element and proceeds to place the rest in parallel after that. And now, you know why, as well as how to change that behavior. Again, feel free to alter some of these settings, save, and refresh the Layouts page to see the effect.